India's supply chains move on the strength of vision, innovation, and relentless execution. Tonight, we honor the company's turning ambition into global impact. Welcome to the Cargo NXT Recognition South India edition for the category Logistics Excellence Awards 2026. Greenfield Cargo Airport of the Year, Bangalore International Airport. Excellence in Logistics Infrastructure Development, Air India SATS Airport Services. Excellence in Air Cargo Handling, Menzies Aviation Bangalore. Best Global Freight Forwarding Company, Continental Carriers. Tech Innovator in Logistics and Supply Chain, Enmoval Solutions. Best Customs Bonded Trucking Company, Shriji Translogistics. Leading Freight Forwarding Company, Seven Seas Global Express Logistics. Fastest growing global cargo airline of the year, Turkish Cargo. Best Customs Bonded Warehouse, Active Freight Logistics. Excellence in Cargo ERP Digital Solutions, SCM Cube Technologies. Excellence in Comprehensive Logistics Solutions, Airsea Forwarders India. Excellence in Artificial Intelligence for Logistics, Transport One by Delivery. Most Promising Logistics Service Provider, Tripath Logistics. Excellence in Low Cost, Low Carbon Cement Manufacturing and Logistics, Shree Cement. Best 3PL Warehousing Solutions Provider, Boba Aviation Cargo and Ground Handling. Young Researcher and Skilling in Sustainable Logistics, Apeksha Gupta. Visionaries Shaping Tomorrow. Congratulations.
It was really great to get this recognition from Cargo Next, industry, and the way they have recognized me, it was really, really remarkable. Thanks to Cargo Next.
I feel absolutely humble and grateful to Cargo Next for this particular recognition. This is a very top-class recognition that I have been, I've been awarded to. I will try my best to do all the best efforts towards the industry to ensure that the industry continues to grow. They collaborate, they innovate, and they elevate themselves.
This is the hard work that me and my team, all India, have put in. So it is my message that all of us, when we do our best, this is how we are going to get rewarded. Thank you so much.
It's an honor to receive this recognition. We are really thankful to Cargo NXT team. It's an absolutely incredible journey for the company as well. So we are very, very happy and we look forward to receiving more such awards.